Welcome to today's webinar, Government Contractor Insurance Requirements Explained, what every federal contractor must know. Government contracts offer tremendous opportunities for contractors, consultants, service providers, construction firms. However, government work often comes with unique insurance requirements that differ from many private sector projects. One of the most common mistakes, focusing entirely on winning the contract. These obligations impact compliance, project eligibility, risk, and ability to continue work, overlooking the insurance obligations attached to the award. Today's goals: discuss the most common government contractor insurance requirements, provide a practical framework for understanding and managing them. Why government contractor insurance requirements matter. Government entities assume significant risk when hiring contractors. Contracts often require specific insurance coverages, policy limits, and compliance procedures. Protects government interests and transfers risk. These requirements serve several purposes. Protect government interests. Transfer risk appropriately. Ensure contractor financial responsibility. Support claims management. Promote project continuity. Failure to comply can result in delays, disputes, even contract termination. Requirement number 1, general liability insurance. One of the most common requirements. Covers claims involving bodily injury, property damage, personal injury, advertising injury. Agencies specify minimum limits, may require proof of coverage before work begins. Review contract language to ensure compliance. Requirement number 2, workers' compensation insurance. Most contracts require compliance with state laws. Protects employees with work-related injuries or illnesses. Contractors should verify workers' compensation compliance is closely monitored. Coverage status, state requirements, policy limits, employee classifications. Requirement number 3, Defense-Base Act DBA insurance, required for contractors working overseas under U.S. government contracts. Extends workers' comp-type benefits to eligible overseas employees. Many contractors are unfamiliar with DBA until contract negotiations begin. Understanding DBA obligations early helps prevent compliance issues later. Requirement number 4, commercial auto insurance, covers liability from vehicles used for transportation, deliveries, inspections, field operations. Contractors should verify vehicle schedules, coverage limits, hired, non-owned auto exposures, contract-specific requirements. Requirement number 5, umbrella or excess liability coverage. Many projects require liability limits that exceed standard policies, provides additional protection above underlying coverage. These requirements are common on construction projects, infrastructure projects, utility projects, defense contracts. Requirement number 6, additional insured requirements. Agencies, prime contractors may require additional insured status. Extends protections to another party in certain circumstances. Certificate of insurance alone does not satisfy this requirement. Best practice: verify correct endorsement is in place. Requirement number 7, waiver of subrogation requirements. Many contracts include these provisions. May affect insurers' ability to recover after paying a claim. Important for contractual risk transfer. Review waiver of subrogation requirements carefully. Often supports overall contract risk management. Non-compliance can risk payment or contract status. Requirement number 8, certificate of insurance compliance. Insurance compliance doesn't end when a policy is purchased. Ongoing proof of coverage is required. Certificates document strong compliance procedures, prevent issues throughout project lifecycle. Coverage status, policy limits, effective dates, required parties. Real-world example. Contractor awarded a federal infrastructure project. Had expertise in workforce. Onboarding revealed insurance compliance issues. Problems included required endorsements missing, additional insured status incomplete, inconsistent certificate documentation, work delayed until issues addressed. Lesson: winning the contract is only the first step. Meeting insurance requirements is equally important. Government contractor insurance checklist. Before starting a government project, ask: have contract insurance requirements been reviewed? Is general liability coverage compliant? Is workers' compensation coverage compliant? Does the project require DBA insurance? This checklist helps spot issues early. Is commercial auto coverage sufficient? Are umbrella limits adequate? Have additional insured requirements been verified? Have waiver of subrogation requirements been addressed? Are certificates of insurance complete? Is ongoing compliance monitoring in place? Key takeaways: insurance requirements are not just paperwork. They're central to project compliance and risk management. Top contractors review insurance obligations early, verify compliance, and monitor procedures. Compliance failures can be as disruptive as project failures. Evaluate, verify, and monitor insurance requirements to protect your contract. Thank you for joining today's webinar. For more on government contractor risk management, DBA insurance, and insurance compliance, visit www.montridgeinsurance.com. Stay compliant, stay proactive, and manage risk before the